Hello and welcome to this video about how I replace the amber signal halogen bulb with LED switchback turn signal lights bulb with white daytime running light and amber for blinker. Gonna swap it out with LED. It's 7443. I got it on Amazon, and these tools to take off the clips. These are the bulbs. Cut this up. That's how it looks like. Hopefully I don't get the hyper flash, otherwise I would have to do the Forscan Mod. So I'm gonna leave it up here for now. I'm gonna take out these tabs starting from the left here. Now we will remove all the clips that hold the top cover in order to get to the light bulbs. I'll turn off the light so the bulbs all cool down. I'll use a plastic container to keep all the clips. Kind of cold outside right now. It's like 40-ish degree, and it's supposed to drop down to like 25 degrees tonight, and it's gonna be like frozen temperature. And that's why I have my hoodie up, so excuse me. Pretty easy if you got the right tool. I suggest using this side right here. With this angle, it's really easy to take it out. Then you need to move the intake cover right there too. This side. I have supposed to be the DOL gonna be white, and then when I blink signal, it's gonna be orange. Versus the stock halogen one is gonna be amber. Alright, so now we're ready to take this one out. Just lift this one up a little and then take this out. And you can throw this in the press. So we're gonna change angle here. Trying to get some light here. So on the Ford Expedition, the whole body is aluminum. So the only way I can attach the two magnet light from Harbor Freight is the big bolt right here is metal, and we can see the signal light bulb here. So we can on this side we gonna twist it clockwise. We can use one hand to, you can see it loose right now, so we're trying our best to take it out here. Kind of fell down, but there's a wire to the bulb right there, so we can just fish for that cord and then pull it up. So the way I reprogram my signal light to be driving light, and by keeping it on all the time, it's too hot, so you can see the base here is like turning dark. So that's why I decide to switch this out with LED, so that way it's not running too hot. This out. So the stock bulb is the model is HT7444NA, is 8 watts. We going to replace it with the LED bulb, side by side comparison. So it's amber and white. Which side is which, so I'm gonna install it and then gonna try turn on the light and see if it works. Okay, so now you see and it blinked orange. Awesome. No hyper flash. That's a deal. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this bulb back in. And this bulb is a little bit longer, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult to get it in. You might want to hold the wire to help you control the bulb into the hole. So I got the bulb in. And earlier I twist clockwise to get it locked in place. So I got in now. Now I can counterclockwise twist to get it back in place. Okay, so I'm able to twist it counterclockwise and it's in. And I'm gonna test, put my finger in here and gonna try push it out, see if it's, you know, coming out. So that looks good. And I'm gonna try do a final test. Wow, as you can see, it's much brighter, crazy bright. The left side doesn't signal at all. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install the one on the left. Alright, on to the passenger side. You can see the bulb is in there and my grill light is tapped into it right there. So we're gonna use my hand, go down there and gonna do clockwise, and it came loose. You can see the levers out there and the bulb came loose. So we're gonna pry it out. And you can see the way I use my hand here. You can try the same. So I cut the bulb out. And now I'm just gonna use the wiring and try to pull it out. Okay, so I cut it out. The new LED. Wiggle it side by side and get it out. So it looks like the filament for both of this bulb is gone. Wow. I'm curious why it's still orange earlier though. So the filament is gone on this one. So install new LED. Turn on the hazard light. So that works. So what I'm gonna try is, I think this bulb can be installed in any way. So I'm gonna try turn it this way and see. And yeah, it worked this way too. So it can be installed any way. Gonna go ahead and put it back in. it in the socket. I just twist it counterclockwise and it's secure in place. Sure enough, it worked great. So what I probably gonna order another pair as spare. That way I have the same bulb to replace it later on. So just in case they discontinue this product, so I just wanna order a second pair as backup. After validating the lights works, we can now reinstall the top cover. Putting all the clips back. Just make sure you put all the clips back and not having any extra one on the ground. Couple times, so I remember which one was it. Pretty easy. And for the intake. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. See you next time. And the final clip, we have completely reinstalled the top cover and completing this LED upgrade.